Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making this really cool train tunnel out of Lego. I took this picture a few weeks ago and I have been wanting to do something with it. Either paint it, build it out of Lego. So yeah, I will finally be getting around to that. So if you want to see how the final result is, then make sure to stick around. Well, I'll see you then. Okay guys, after a small little break in between, I finally finished the the tunnel. Yep, it is pretty cool. I added the train track. It is not done though because I still have all these green pieces I gotta add to the sides. So it's not done. I added a little bit to the top here, which makes it pretty cool. I will see you when it is done. Okay guys, there we go. It is finished. I did just the nice foliage here with some rocks. I decorated the tracks a little bit, put some sand here. Yeah. We have the tunnel right here, the tunnel entrance. The train track going right into the tunnel. We have the cool little trees in the side. We have some vines here. Yeah. Now, the whole reason why I built this is because I want to display something. And I have been hiding it off for a while. Let me just get it. It is this. Now, this is really, really cool. I bought it on Amazon. It is a really cool orange diesel engine. The front, it has some headlights. It has a motor in it. So I will be putting this on the track. I think I gotta make the track a little bit longer though. So I will do that and I will show you the final results.